The parent who dreaded school. Mrs. Choma dreaded school drop-off and pick-up. Not because she didn't love her child, not because she was lazy, but because every morning she had to brace herself up for the whispers, the sideways glances, the subtle sighs from other parents and teachers. Her 9-year-old son Emeka had earned a reputation, an evil one. He was the one who never pays attention, the one who always starts the fight, the one who forgets his assignment at home every day. Every teacher's meeting felt like a mini trial. Every phone call was exhausting. The school will make her stomach turn and twist. We tried all we could to help him, Mrs. Choma, but he refuses to listen. He's disrupting the class again, said another teacher, voices tight with frustration. Neighbors could not even help either. How is it that your boy again, always making noise, always looking for trouble? At home, it wasn't much better. Homework became a battlefield, breakfast was negotiation, even simple routines like brushing of teeth, putting on shoes, was daily war. Mrs. Choma loved Emeka fiercely, but she felt powerless. Exhausted, frustrated, guilt-ridden, she wondered, am I doing something wrong? Am I too strict? Too soft? Is it just stubborn? Irredeemably difficult? Every evening, she replayed the last day in her head. Every morning, she feared the next. Her heart would ache because she knew she was failing him, not through lack of love, but because no matter what she tried, nothing seemed to work. And in those moments, when the house would be quiet after Emeka has gone to school, Mrs. Choma would sit and ask herself very hard questions, because her mind would tell her, maybe this child is struggling. So she would wonder, is my child truly struggling? Or am I struggling to understand him? Is there something I can do to help him better? It was in one of those quiet moments, scrolling through her phone, heavy evenings, that she realized something had to change. She couldn't keep running on guilt, frustration, and fear. She needed a moment to pause, to step back and to reflect. Mrs. Choma began to search for solutions. And she said, what patterns can I create to change the order? What patterns have I created without even realizing it? Where have I responded out of stress instead of understanding? How can I help Emeka become the child he's capable of being? Because God does not make counterfeits. That night, she decided to take a breath, to stop the cycle of the blame on herself, on him, and instead to look for a way to rebuild their connection, reset their routines, and renew their approach to parenting. So she discovered the reset, renew, and rebuild while scrolling and looking for solutions. It is a space designed for parents like her, like you, like me. Parents who love their children deeply but feel lost. Parents who want to step out of frustration into understanding. Parents ready to rethink, rebuild, and regain control of empathy, awareness, and strategy. For Mrs. Choma, it wasn't about being a perfect parent. It was about starting afresh. Reset, renew, and rebuild grants you that privilege. And this is my cue to invite you. Come in and join us for Reset, Renew, and Rebuild. The link is below. I remain your coach, Favor Moses.